Hey, to backup data on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. Now you have to scroll down. You have to find the accounts and the backup. Now from this you can find to backup data to the Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. If you click on the manage accounts, you can actually find all of your accounts that you have. So if you are logging into the Google and the Samsung, you can actually make this backup into the both accounts. But in my case, I preferred to go for backup into my Google Drive. So I have to click on this button, and now from this I will be redirected into this Google backups stuff. So we have to enable this backup by the Google one by clicking on the switcher. And now if you want to perform it, you have to click on this button to backup now, and it will actually back up all data automatically over the Wi-Fi, and it will actually get for around 2 hours. Of course, it will actually start backupping after we plug the phone into the charger. So from this you can actually find the backup details, so it will actually back your apps, photos and the videos. It's actually turned off, so I recommend you to turn it on. And from this you can also find this messages, call history, device settings. And also, if you are not connected into the Wi-Fi, you can still backup your data by using the mobile data by selecting this option. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.